Bigger, huge, everything you've got.
In, no change in the torso. In, in. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Strongly, the body resists any bumping around, any thumping or moving.
Again. 1, 2, 3. Hug tight, don't put the feet down. Last one. Hug.
Rock back. Find your balance. One more. Forward, 1, 2.
One more curl under, 2, 3. And I want you to keep rolling back now. Come back into your 100 position, total control. Find your balance, bone by bone, moment by moment. Nail it, anchor it. There's your 100. You've already done it. Up here are the side kicks. Up and reach. Kick light, resist down. Up and reach. Again, peek up at the leg, but don't keep your head that way. Up and down. One more. Up, stop here. Here's the reverse.